It's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Make sure you get a friend like Miss Nigeria girl. Her reaction at Miss World, priceless.
Trust me.
Trust.
Speaking of Miss World, I think CNN might have gotten it wrong when they said Miss America won. No, that's fake news.
Yeah, I wish I not hope.
Oh boy.
Will Drake and Davido appear at Unruly Fest tonight? Guess we'll have to wait and see. I'm going to miss it again. Another year, no Drake.
Okay, girl.
It's not okay.
Is Foota Hype being detained by ICE in Florida? What's going on?
And finally, holding the spot this week, Toni Ann Singh is not only the Miss World, she is the Miss World who's going to Unruly Fest.
Yes.
Wow, that was just one of her requests. See you there, Toni.
Yep.
That's it from the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for all the latest in entertainment.